Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say the sounds, you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. S, et, set, b, ed, bed, leg, leg, et, net, den, l, shell, et, jet, ben. Good. All right, let's roller coaster some words. As always, we want to put an emphasis on the middle vowel sound when we're at the top of our roller coaster. The word is get, et, fed, ed, deck, ek, beg, egg, met, et, men, et, sell, sell, head, ed, and vet, vet. Good. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop it into its separate phonemes. Then, yes, yes, peg, egg, pet, et, red, red, yet, yet, tell, tell. Last one, web, web. Good. All right, now we're going to do phoneme substitution. So you need your fists ready. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is wet. Change w to y. Yet. The word is leg. Change l to b. Beg. The word is mess. Change m to g. Guess. The word is red. Change r to p. Head. The word is met. Change m to j. Jet. Great. All right, almost done. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme. We'll add the beginning sound, the onset, and we'll put them together to make a new word. The word is n. Add t to the beginning. 10. The word is ek. Add n to the beginning. Neck. The word is ed. Add sh to the beginning. Shed. The word is egg. Add b to the beginning. Beg. The word is s. Add l to the beginning. Less. Excellent. Last one, deleting phonemes. So we'll start with the word and then we'll remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is yet. Without y, the word is et. The word is beg. Without b, the word is egg. The word is guess. Without g, the word is s. The word is head. Without h, the word is ed. The word is jet. Without j, the word is et. And that's it. Great job today.